Arrabiata. So this is a spicy Italian tomato pasta. Without the chili, it's just like another boring tomato pasta, but with the chili, something else.
Start by finely chopping 3 garlic cloves, then mince up a fresh chili, seeds and all. The rule is, the larger the chili, the less spicy it is.
Let's cook. Olive oil.
Saute the garlic on medium heat for just 10 seconds, then in with the chili and dried chili flakes. Cook for a minute until the garlic is light golden. Then 2 cans of crushed tomato. I rinse out the cans with a bit of water. Salt and pepper.
Give it a good stir and then let it simmer gently for 15 minutes and just give it a stir every now and then just to make sure that the base doesn't catch. Once you've got the sauce on, let's do the pasta. Good amount of salt in your pasta cooking water. Penne. Cook it per the packet directions, and then just before draining, give it a good stir. Then reserve a cup of the pasta cooking water because this is actually going to form part of the sauce, and then drain. Get a free facial while you're at it. So after 15 minutes, the sauce should be nice and thick. Toss the pasta in, 1/3 of a cup of pasta cooking water, and give it a good toss. Dinner is served. Parsley, and though not traditional, I like to have Parmesan on it.
Quick, easy ingredients from the pantry. Great example of a classic Italian pasta dish that proves simple can be amazing.
So good. All mine. No dosa, no spicy Italian pasta for dosa. You can have some dosa treats instead. Last one. It's so cute.